GetGrass.io launched not too long ago, and yeah, they're holding their ground in the market. I basically made over $700 from Grass Season 1. I know that the Grass Season 2 is live, but I'm sorry, bro, you are late to the party already. Because in any crypto or airdrop project, Season 1 is always the main deal. Season 2 is just playing caught up. Now, this is why I'm bringing a similar airdrop to you with the opportunity for you to be an early bird. It's called Oasis AI. If you missed out on GetGrass in its early days, don't make the same mistake twice. Oasis AI is like GetGrass Pro Max, but with the advantage that it's still in its infancy. This means more potential rewards for you, especially if you act now. Here's the lowdown. It's built on a Layer 2 blockchain, which is sleek, efficient, and scalable. It's got the same model as GetGrass. Share data, earn tokens. Most importantly, it's still early. Translation, fewer people are mining, so the rewards pool isn't diluted yet. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let me walk you through how to join and farm Oasis AI on your mobile phone in this complete step-by-step guide. Step 1. Get Kiwi Browser. First things first, you'll need Kiwi Browser to make this work. If you're scratching your head wondering what that is, don't worry. It's just a browser that lets you use Chrome extensions on your phone. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Kiwi Browser, and download it. Got it installed? Sweet. Let's move on. Step 2. Create your Oasis AI account. Now, open up Kiwi Browser and follow these steps. 1. Go to the Oasis AI website using the link in the description to get a 10,000 credit reward for free. 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password. 3. Check the box to agree to the terms and hit Create Account. 4. Boom, your account is created. But don't stop here. Head to your email and verify your account by clicking the link they sent you. Step 3. Add the Oasis AI extension. This is where things get real. 1. Go back to Kiwi Browser and refresh the Oasis AI website. 2. Look for the option to download the Chrome extension. 3. Click Add to Chrome and confirm it. You'll know it's installed when you see Remove from Chrome as an option. Pro tip, don't skip this step. The extension is how you connect to the Oasis AI network and start earning tokens. Step 4. Set up your provider dashboard. Now that the extension is installed, 1. Head back to the Oasis AI homepage and refresh. 2. Go to the provider dashboard and set up your provider profile. You'll see your GPU and credits start populating once you're connected. 3. That's it. You're officially mining. Why should you care about Layer 2 airdrops? Here's the thing. Layer 2 airdrops like this have massive potential. It's not just about earning free tokens, it's about positioning yourself early in projects that could blow up later. Sure, it might take time for Oasis AI to get listed on major exchanges, but that's where the big gains are made. Early adopters are always the ones laughing their way to the bank. A quick reality check. Don't sleep on this just because it feels too early. Early is exactly when you want to get in. By the time the masses catch on, the mining pool will be saturated and rewards will drop faster than your favorite meme coin during a bear market. Wrapping up. All right, that's the playbook. If you're serious about making moves in the crypto space, start mining Oasis AI today. The longer you wait, the harder it'll be to earn significant rewards. Here's your action plan. 1. Download Kiwi Browser. 2. Set up your Oasis AI account and extension. 3. Start mining ASAP. Don't forget, share this video with your community, drop a comment below if you have questions, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Oh, and check the description for all the links you'll need to get started. Stay sharp, stay early, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.